Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 3x minus number 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have x, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. The s we change for this one. Now 5 over 3 with 2 over 3, that is about 10 over 9. So u and u we have u square, and we have like this. So u square multiplied by u square and number 1, so we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 4 going here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. And the next one that is about number 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.